students, welcome back to the new video. So in today's video I'm going to create a very interesting activity for all of you by using the materials which is readily available at our home. So let's get started. So here I have kept the materials which I need for the activity. Let me tell you one by one. So first I have taken a pair of scissors, 2 pieces of cardboard, a wooden stick, some threads and a plastic bottle. The plastic bottle which I have taken is quite small, so you can use like 200 to 250 ml bottle if you have at your home. So now let me tell you the process. So let's get started. So in the first step, we have to make 3 of the holes in the bottle. The one will come at the top, the another will come somewhat on the side, and the last one will come in the bottom of the bottle. So here you can see that I have made a hole at the top. Then I have made one of the hole in the side of my bottle here, and then in the bottom. So I have made 3 holes over here. Beside that, I have also decorated, or I have made a strips or a lines on my cardboard paper with the help of colors. Okay, so the first step is we have to put the cardboards along with the wooden stick in this way so that it would look like a fan. Step which I'll be doing is I'll be inserting this cap into my stick, or I'll insert the stick into this cap hole which I have made. Look like something like this. The cap is there along with the cardboards. That arrangement aside, now what I'll do is I'll take my thread and pass it from, you can see that I have passed my thread from this hole and taken it out from the top. Now what I'll do is I'll tie this end. You can see that I have tied a knot over here. Now I'm going to insert this and I'll pass a thread from that hole. You can see that I have tied a knot over here along with the stick, and I have passed a thread from this hole. Now I'm going to insert the stick totally inside the bottle. After passing the stick totally inside, I have fixed the another end by the cardboard piece so that the second end is fixed with the cardboard and the first two have a cardboard pieces. Now also what I have done is I have just turned my sticks together to roll the thread inside the bottle. You can see. Now I'm going to stretch the thread and my fan will work. So let me show you how does it work. So in this way you can see that I'm molding my fan, and now I'm going to stretch the thread, and as I'm stretching the thread, the wrap thread is getting uncoiled and it's moving the fan, and when I release it, it again suddenly coils the thread around the stick and then again make it to turn. So in this way you can create a very own fan for yourself by using the materials which is already available at your home. I hope you all have enjoyed this simple activity and will be performing this at your home. Enjoy!